As we look at the freelancers page on the website, it is really geared towards those who are not freelancers and looking to get into it, or those, if you are, how to get right up to the site, create your account. I can't tell you enough the importance, but you will hear that in the training. You want to be a great freelancer. You want to be able to have opportunities that hit you up every single week. Well, you can't do that if you're not there. So we want you to go create an account on each of these sites. All right, create a profile and learn more about it in the training. As you do, you'll get invitations for work. You also will get a chance to look at lots of proposals that are out there and put bids in on them so you can get that work. So you never have to leave your loved ones. You can do it all from the comfort of your RV, your home, your campsite. That's the idea here. We have a lot of them for remote work. Some of these, like Thumbtack, can be physical. If you're mechanical or you are handy with being able to build things and do that, you'd be amazed. Even a musician. I've hired people from all of these, but Thumbtack, I have hired from musicians, contractors, those who do all types of work like concrete work. Doesn't matter. They do everything. So if you have a skill set, plug yourself into these freelancer websites and you'll learn exactly how you can generate a great income in our training courses, but certainly use them. If you don't have time to get the training now, create your accounts and learn all you can now on your own if you need to. Take care.